Hello everyone. I, Dr. Vinod Kushwaha, Assistant Professor in Department of Physics, Hindustan College of Science and Technology, Farai Mathura. Today, I am deliver a very interesting topic. This is called mass energy equivalence. What is mass energy equivalence? If you can go through this phenomena, the mass is convertible into energy and energy into mass, and that the conversion factor between two is the square of speed of light. This is mass energy equivalence, which explained by Einstein mass energy relation. What is the relation? If we consider a particle of mass m acted upon a force F in the same direction as its velocity, mass applied on the force in the same direction as its velocity increases in energy of a particle, why the force may be defined in the terms of work, which is product of force and displacement, W equal to F into ds. If a factor F displaces the particle through a small distance ds, then work done due to stored by a particle as its kinetic energy, and kinetic energy is represented by dk. Now, if a force F displaces the particle through a small distance is ds, then work done dw is stored by the particle as it's known as kinetic energy, and kinetic energy is dk. Now the equation is dw equal to dk, and dk equal to force into displacement equal to F into ds. This one is equation number first. Now apply the Newton's law of motion. What is Newton's law of motion? The force is the rate of change of momentum. The force is the rate of change of momentum. So apply the Newtonian law of motion. Then now apply the Newton's law of motion. Then F equal to dp upon dt. Then P equal to m into v. So the equation is d upon dt into mv. This one is equation number 2. Now differentiate of this equation by dot products. What is dot products? Differentiates first, second as, and second differentiate first as. So the equation is F m times dv upon dt plus v times dm upon dt. This equation is equation number 3rd. Now the value of F put in equation number 1st. The value of F put in equation 1st. What is equation 1st? dw equal to F into ds. Now the value of dk. Now apply the equation 1st. dw equal to dk. Then equation 1st, F equal to m times dv upon dt plus v times dm upon dt ds. Now ds multiply in this equation, then the equation is, now the value is m ds upon dt into dv plus v ds upon dt into dm. What is ds upon dt? Distance upon time equal to velocity. So such that ds upon dt equal to v. Then the equation is m v into dv plus v square into dm. This one is equation number 4. Now, according to Einstein's special theory of relativity, the mass m of a particle moving with velocity v varies in according with the relation m equal to m naught upon under root 1 minus v square upon c square. M naught is the absolute mass and m is the relativistic mass or moving mass. According to Einstein's special theory of mass energy relation, then the mass variation is m equal to m naught upon under root 1 minus v square upon c square. This is mass variation with special theory of relativity. Then the equation is m naught 1 minus v square upon c square की power minus 1 by 2. This equation is equation number 5. Now, if you show the equation number 4, we require the value of dm. So, we get the value of dm, we differentiate of this equation. Now, differentiate of equation number 5. Differentiate of equation number 5, then dm equal to m naught is the constant factor minus 1 by 2 1 minus v square upon c square की power 3 by 2 minus 2v upon c square 2v upon c square into dv. This equation. Now 2 is the cancel and similar term has been plus. So the equation is, now the value of dm equal to m naught into v, m naught v into dv upon c square 1 minus v square upon c square. This term is below, so the sign has been 3 by 2. Now, by equation 5, we require the value of m naught. What is the value of m naught? You can show m naught equal to m times 1 minus v square upon c square. So, by equation 5, dm equal to, what is the value of m naught? M naught is the value of m 1 minus v square upon c square. Now, m naught equal to m times 1 minus v square upon c square की power 1 by 2. The value of m naught put in dm equation. So the equation is dm equation, dm equal to m naught value m 1 माइनस वी स्क्वायर अपॉन सी स्क्वायर की पावर 1/2 वी डी वी अपॉन सी स्क्वायर 1 माइनस वी स्क्वायर अपॉन सी स्क्वायर की पावर 3/2. To solve this equation and calculate the value of dm. Now solve this equation, then dm equal to m into vdv upon c square. This terms comes to upon side, so minus 1/2, 3/2 minus 1/2, 3 minus 1, 2/2 is 1. So the value is c square 1 minus v square upon c square. If solve this equation, the value is mv dv upon c square minus v square. Now the value of mv dv, then mv dv equal to c square minus v square into dm. Okay, this equation is equation number 6. Now the value of equation number 6 put in equation number 4. The value of mv dv put in equation number 4. What is equation number 4? dk equal to c square minus v square dm plus v square into dm. If you open this equation, then dk equal to c square dm minus v square dm plus v square dm. Similar term has been cancelled out and the equation is equal to c square dm. The value of dk is dk equal to c square into dm. Now, if the change in kinetic energy of a particle is k, when its mass changes from absolute mass is rest mass is m naught to effective mass yani moving mass is m, then the equation is k equal to integration dk equal to change in mass m naught to m c square into dm. If we integrate this value, c square is the constant terms, the value is c square m minus m naught. This one is equation number 7. Now, this expression for kinetic energy of a particle, the increase in kinetic energy is due to increase in mass of a particle on account of its relative motion and is equal to product of gain in mass and the rest mass of a particle of rest mass is m naught. Then total energy is kinetic energy and potential energy. Total energy is the part of two types of energy. First one is kinetic energy, this is dynamic energy, and second one is potential energy, this is known as rest mass energy. So total energy equal to rest energy, rest mass energy plus relativistic kinetic energy. Kinetic energy. What is relativistic mass energy? This is known as m naught c square. And relativistic kinetic energy calculated m minus m naught c square. Explode this equation, then the equation is m naught c square plus mc square minus m naught c square. Similar term has been cancelled out. Then total energy E equal to mc square. This is the relation of Einstein mass energy equivalence. This is equation number 8. This is the relation of Einstein mass energy equivalence. Now I explain the relation of E equal to mc square is experimental verification. What is experimental verification? When a particle collides with its antiparticles, then its mutual annihilation, the total mass is converted into radiant energy. There is two types. First one is when an electron and positron, electron is E negative charge and positron is E positive charge, come close together, then annihilate each other, and an equivalent amount of energy is produced in the form of pair of gamma rays. This is known as photon. Then if you can explain this, first case is E negative charge, this is electron, and plus E positive charge, this is positron. If combined with each other, close to each other, then generate the gamma pair. This is gamma rays photon. And the second case, this is generate the energy. Mass is convert to energy, and mass is convert to energy, and energy is convert to mass. So the second case is when the radiate energy comes near a charged nucleus, particle and antiparticle are created, the energy is converted into mass. So apply the conditions. Now if you see the figure, this is charged material particles electron, this is antiparticles positron. If both are comes to each other, then energy has been produced in the form of gamma ray photon. And in the second case, when the radiated energy, this one is nucleus, and this one is electron, charged particles. So when radiated energy come near a charged nucleus, particle and antiparticle, this one is energy particles, and this one is, this side is another antiparticles, charged particles and anti-charged particles. So particles and antiparticles are created, thus the energy is converted into mass. Then gamma photon equal to electron and positron. A photon of energy 1.02 MeV comes near the nucleus, and under its intense electric field is split up into the pair of particles, both particles, an electron and a positron. This phenomena is called pair production. So the pair production is gamma equal to e की power negative charge and e की power positive charge. So this is the experimental verification of mass energy equivalence equation. Thank you so much. I hope you understand this equation and explain very well. So keep it up and thank you so much.